Sometimes English learners, specifically adult beginners, do some mistakes of choosing be verb and have verb. Common errors from that type of mistake are caused by lack of knowledge about the target language, or it may be caused by incorrect assumption about it. They try to relate the grammatical concepts of their first language with new target language and feel confused to choose the right one. Hello everyone, this is Sujata from Bliss Vibes Learning English. In today's lesson, I will explain how to fix common mistake of using be verb and have verb, and at the same time I will discuss how to use have as a main verb and as a helping verb. We have already made a lesson on the uses of the verb be. If you haven't yet watched that lesson, please watch it first. It will be more helpful to understand today's lesson. Let's focus our concentration first on common mistake of using be verb and have verb. Be as a main verb is used to say something about a person or thing, and have as a main verb indicates the meaning of possession, someone's belongings. Elena is a beautiful girl. She has long hair. In these sentences, we use be verb to say something about Elena, and we use have verb to indicate her possession, that is long hair, her belongings. Now let's learn about have in details. Have is an irregular verb. It has three different forms: have, has and had. It can be used both as a main verb and as an auxiliary verb. As a main verb, it has lots of uses and meanings. We use have verb to mean to own or possess. We have a beautiful house. We use have to do an action. Have a look, have a shower, have a nap. Nap is short sleep. We can use have to take part in an event. We have a tournament. We have a birthday party. We also use have to eat or drink. We have our breakfast or beverages at 8 o'clock. We can also use have to mean give birth. Yesterday she had a baby girl. That means yesterday she gave birth a baby girl. We use have to mean travel. Have a wonderful and safe journey. That means someone wishing you to travel a wonderful and safe journey. We use have to mean to spend days or part of the days. Have a wonderful evening. Have a superb holiday. Here in these sentences, someone is wishing you to spend a wonderful evening or to spend a superb holiday. As an auxiliary verb or helping verb, we use have to make present perfect and present perfect continuous tense, past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. Today we have taken our lunch at 12 o'clock. We have been taking our lunch for 15 minutes. Here in these sentences, have is used as a helping verb to make present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. I had reached there before my friend came. I had been reaching there. In these sentences, had is used as a helping verb to make past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Now I am going to ask some question. You need to make answer in full sentence using have verb. So let's start. Do you have any storybook? Did you have your lunch? Have you finished your activities? Where have you been? Had he left his hometown? How long have you been learning English? I hope from today onwards you can use be verb and have verb confidently. So that's it for today's lesson. See you soon for another lesson. Thank you for watching.